Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So firstly I'll start by saying Happy New Year to you all. This is the first video that I'm actually posting for 2025. Today I've got a lot to get through, so I'm not going to spend too much time rambling away because I've got a lot of food to show you. So we went to Tesco and Tesco's plant range is amazing. So let me get straight on into this Veganuary Tesco haul. Okay, so firstly I'll start by two non-food items, and I saw this sea salt candle which smells really good in the home section, and I picked this up as part of a gift. And then I also got this teacup as well, and this is also part of a gift. So those are the two non-foodie items that I just wanted to get out of the way. Now I can focus on all of the vegan goods. Okay, I honestly don't know where to start, but I've got bags surrounding me. So I'll just go into the bag and pick up the first thing. So the first thing I picked up is this Plant Chef fishless fillet. We've got these a few times before, and actually tonight we're having a fish and chip night. What we'll do is we'll go to the chippy, get some chips, and then put these on as well. Okay, the next item I picked up are these Plant Chef no prawn tempura, and I absolutely love these. Every time we do a Tesco order, these are the first things I put in the basket. They are honestly amazing to me. And actually today when we went into Tesco's, I didn't find these, and so I actually asked a member of staff and they went into the back and retrieved them for me. So it's serious business. I love these. Okay, we also got some Plant Chef tofu, if it wants to focus. And we got 3 of these. The other one is in the bag somewhere, but these were on offer 3 for 2. So I got these. Something else that's part of their 3 from range are these yogurts. This pack is strawberry and raspberry, and these are apricot and banana. We're running low on oats, so we got this big bag of organic oats. I should probably put these in the freezer now, but we've got some waffle fries. Love these. And these ones are by Bird's Eye. I didn't actually know that Bird's Eye do fries. News to me. Something that's a staple in this house. We've got some vegetarian sausages from Linda McCartney. I've been eating these sausages like practically all my life. I grew up on them, and I've tried so many different sausages, but these are my favourite and they're just a staple. Okay, we then got 2 packs of spicy noodles. We usually pick up the sesame pack, but they'd run out, so we just got spicy. Okay, the next thing we got is this raw pressed juice by the brand Mockingbird. And we like this one because it is raw pressed juice, and it has mandarin lemon, carrot, ginger, turmeric and orange. Of course, as it's getting colder and it is that season where everyone's getting sick, it's important for us to top up on all of our vitamins. So this is much needed. A pack of whole wheat fusilli pasta. Also a pack of spaghetti. We then got some sushi rice. Been needing to restock this one. Garlic baguette. Another staple, we got some hummus, organic hummus. Some garlic and herb spread by Violife. We then got some Vitalite plant-based spread. I feel like I'm running out of space behind me. Got some salsa. And then what is salsa without tortilla chips? Cool flavour, that's my favourite flavour. Okay, so out of everything that we picked up today, this is the thing that I'm most excited about. We picked up the plant-based chocomel, which I cannot wait to drink, and I think after I'm done filming, that's the first thing I'm going to do. So yeah, really happy about this. Something that we don't often find in many supermarkets. So we got 2 packs of the Saint Pierre croissants. Okay, I'm going to pick up the speed of it because I've still got quite a bit to show you guys. Some salted popcorn. We very rarely drink fizzy drinks, but we saw these, and these are a favourite. Picked up some oranges. We've got a bottle of distilled white vinegar. Got 3 cartons of Mighty Oat Milk. Another staple and favourite, we got some sarsaparilla. 2 pots of plant-based Muller yogurts. Some apple cider vinegar, white lasagna sauce in the free from range, some jerk seasoning by Dan's Rather. We then got some seaweed sheets. This is sushi nori. My favourite cereal, Shreddies. Okay, so before we actually did this shop, we wrote a list with some of the things we need and some of the things we look for when we go to Tesco. And these were on my list. And I was really happy to see them in stock. So I got not one, but 2 packets. We then got some Warburton's seeded bread, some lightly salted corn cakes, some dark chocolate by Tesco Finest, a pack of long grain wild rice. Okay, and then last but not least, we got 2 ginger shots from Plenish. Okay, so that's everything that we got this time from Tesco. Really impressed with all of the food bits that we picked up today. Tesco is my favourite place to shop, hands down. I love Tesco for vegan food. There's so much for us in their Plant Chef range. So yes, 5 out of 5 stars for Tesco. That's everything for today's video. Really hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.